Hello friends, you can see this waterfall, like milky waterfall. There's two waterfalls in the same near to same Prati Pandharpur temple. Very nice waterfalls from long distance. A very beautiful area. Inside there is a temple. I will show the temple as well. Very loads of water, loads of very beautifully crafted temple. Yeah. And you can see this one temple from a view. A beautiful temple you can visit here. This is in Lonavala. It's called Prati Pandharpur. It's a Lord Vishnu temple. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Take care. This is the Lord Vishnu temple. This is the outer view. The people are enjoying here. Loads of greenery here. You can see people are going down. There's full of running water in the bridge. Full of nature, naturotic. Thank you very much.